Well, what's up YouTube? In today's video I will be showing you how to how to create, set up, and manage a YouTube channel. Actually wanted to make something like this tonight, so to make a YouTube channel you obviously need a Google account first. So just go to Google with your country's domain. And I should actually create one. So I'll just give a tutorial on how to create it and set it up. But the analytics part will be using my own channel. So creating a Google account, which is so easy. Everyone already, I'm sure most of you guys also already have a Google account. Because everyone already has one, I'm sure. So let's see, just 223 G example, I guess. Just type in password. Let's say just put I was about to put June 45th, which would just be dumb. So wait, okay. Let's say just maybe 1999. And I'm not going to put that as I don't want my personal information showing on there. You can just skip that. Okay, so now that you set it up, you can go to YouTube. That you have a Google account set up now. Just gotta make sure I'm logged in as my new Google account, not my actual one, just to show how to set it up. So wait, switch account. Add account. So it will tell you to create a channel and name it. That's what it will do. And why does it keep putting this other email address in? What was it again? I'll be right back when I log in. So once you're logged in, you're just gonna get the same home screen as you always have. But creating a channel will also let you be able to comment on other channels and subscribe to them, which everyone who probably commented created one but just didn't know they actually did. So you just add videos there and you can customize. The Creator Studio tutorial I'll show on my own channel, but you can change pictures, what sections there is, and much more, and add featured channels if you want to. So just let me add myself. Oh shoot. Could not find a channel. Oh well. Now let's just sign into mine. So I can show the Creator Studio tutorial. So when you're in the Creator Studio, you'll be able to see your analytics for the last 28 days. Your total views. And your total subscribers. And you'll be able to edit, you'll get just a few of those. So the video manager. Oh yeah, and you can get the Creator Studio on iOS and Android, so don't forget about that. Just in case you need it on the go, which I use the Creator Studio app myself, as I just want to see my views on the go. So let's see, I'll just click a video here. And you'll be able to edit either the thumbnail, and it will tell you the info, like which channel you uploaded it to, when you uploaded it. So it says April 1st, 2017 at 7:57 p.m. Shows the views, likes, dislikes, and amount of comments in a video link as well. So you'll be able to edit the description, the title. You'll be able to also add translations if you wanted to, and advanced settings. So playlists, which a lot of you guys probably make playlists already with your favorite videos. You can just make your own playlists with your own videos. And there's copyright notices. As you can see, I actually got copyrighted videos on here. And 2 old ones that contain copyrighted content, so just try avoiding that. Live streaming I've never used, but it actually looks pretty simple when I looked at it. And wait, this camera's going blurred. So you'll just need whatever those are, and description and all that. Now let's go to community. The community, you'll be able to see who your subscribers are and the comments, but the subscribers you cannot see unless they have public subscriptions where you can actually see who they're subscribed to. So you can see your comments. You can also see your messages, which there are none. And you can look at your subscribers that have public, that have public subscriptions. My channel has private subscriptions, so you won't know if I actually subscribe to your channel. And then wait, better backspace that. So then here you can put a moderator if you wanted to, hidden users, blocked words, block links, and you can just use these settings for comments if you wanted to. And credits, if you have to credit anyone. Which I don't really need to credit anyone as I'm self-taught on all these stuff. So, to the channel section. It will just tell you about your channel, like about your copyright status. You can see here it says 0 copyright strikes and 0 community guideline strikes. And monetization, which since Logan Paul's most recent controversy, they've actually pretty much stripped monetization for anyone with under 1,000 subscribers. So that includes me, sadly. But so I'll tell you what you can do here. You can enable them. Some of them require 1,000 subscribers, like such as sponsors. The monetization. So I've used the monetization tools before and had ads, but now I can't until I get 1,000 subscribers and a total of 4,000 hours watched in the previous year. Then the upload defaults, which I have all of these blank. I just have those checked in for default. And then branding. So the branding is basically just a picture you can upload that will show in the corner, which all my videos are brand watermarked, as I don't want anyone stealing my videos. So that's a way if you want to avoid people from stealing your videos and crediting it as their own. Now to analytics. So the analytics part, if you know how to read it, it's like the stock market, actually, the way the graphs are. It's like the stocks. You can also, so there is a few settings. I leave mine on last 28 days. And it also says how many videos you have and when your channel was created. So my channel was created January 20th, 2015 with 67 videos. Well, this month I've had 1.8k in 1 day of, wait, this is watch time. So 1 day and 7 hours watched. Then 1.7k views in the past 28 days. No revenue, and in the minute the rotation went down this month. So we'll also show likes, dislikes, comments, shares, videos, and playlists, and the subscribers. So I got 5 subscribers this month. It also shows your top videos as well. on there, and it also has geographics too. So most of my views come from the United States, as you can see right there. The gender is messed up on mine, doesn't show any, but on my phone it says it's all male viewers. Then the traffic sources, which mine come from YouTube search, and playback locations. Most of them are from the YouTube watch page. Now, then real-time views will show any views in the past 2 days, or 48 hours, or however you want to say it. So in the last 48 hours, I got 130 views, and in the last hour, I got 1 view. And that wasn't myself, it was from someone else. Let's see what device type it was in the past 48 hours. Mostly mobile phones, which is iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. And what about the video views from the past 2 days? Most of them are coming from Android devices, as you can see. And geography, most of them came from the United States, then India, and the UK. Strange I don't get any views from Canada, because I'm in Canada, and that's where my channel is located. Same with me. But you cannot see anything for revenue if you have under 1,000. So the watch time you can check as well. And it just tells you and how much minutes were watched with YouTube Red as well. And it shows the videos that got the most views this month. And then YouTube Red just shows the same thing. Audience retention. I'm not quite sure what that is. Oh, the average percentage viewed is 11%. And it just shows the videos as well. And demographics. Nothing there. Not even sure what that is. And playback locations. So what are the colors? Oh, it's so embedded in external websites and apps. And the purple's the YouTube watch page. That's where most of them come from. I get the least views from external websites, so that probably means my website as well. And traffic sources, like where it comes from. Most of my views come from YouTube search, external, suggested videos, other YouTube features, and direct or unknown. In devices, you'll be able to see which type of devices and operating systems watch your videos. So most of my views come from my mobile phone, as you can see there. And operating system of the devices, most of my views are coming from Android devices. Which you'll be able to see all of this. This is just, the way I'm saying it is, it's just a heads up for if you have your own channel. I'm basically teaching you how to use the analytics. And most of my views come from original language, because I only speak one language. Even though I know a bit of other languages, I only speak one. Most of them from the YouTube watch page. Then you'll be able to see dislikes and likes, which I get more dislikes, which is kind of sad. So you can see here about the videos and playlists, which not all of them are in there. And I've only got 2 views from it, and it's this one. My top one all the time, the one everyone talks about in school, I guess, because I'm actually still in school. So they both got a view, well, a comment and then sharing. So I only had 1 share. And this is in metrics. I'm not sure if the US will have imperial measurements on their analytics. I'm not even sure about that. That's what I kind of wonder. And then there's the create section, which is just uploading a video, so let's click create just to show what it would be like. So free music for the project. Oh, I can actually put in free music. Didn't know that. So now just back to the dashboard, I guess. So that's just a bit of a heads up on how to create and manage your channel. So if you want to create a channel, then just follow the steps in this video. Well, to creating a channel, like using the customize channel key. When you click customize channel, you can also choose buttons, or you can even have a description too. So you can add links that will just lead to your other social sites or any external website that you own. So, which most YouTubers have this button. It's easy to do. So this is just a basic part of it, not like a full intro. It's just a basic part of it, but enough info to actually get you started on YouTube. So be sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.